Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. So here I am again doing another unboxing from Random Blind Boxes from PopMart. We have this new and old series, so I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with this one piece of the Monsters, the Coca-Cola series. So I've been a very long time that I unboxed one of this one. And as I remember, I got the Crazy Ride from this lineup. And they have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They have only 10 confirmed figures from this lineup and one secret. And I'm so excited to get another one. And I just hope that I would get a duplicate of Crazy Ride. And from this lineup, I want to get the Time to Cool Down, the Little Snowman, the Snowy Mountain, and the Surf with Me. This one. Or maybe we are able to secure a secret. So let's see. I really like this packaging because it's very Christmas vibe to me. But I guess this is the only series of Labubu that has a white figure. So I'm so excited to unbox this one, and let's see if which one we are going to get. And let's see if I'm going to like the other figure and if I'm going to complete the series of this Coca-Cola Monster. So yeah, let me show you the first figure. And then again, they use this branding of the monsters for each foil. I really like that every time they're doing a branding and not just a typical foil. So let's see, guys. One, two, three. Oops! Which one we got? Okay. Let me remove some plastic first. And, it looks like the monster here is going for a picnic time. So let's see. This is the stand. And this is the art card. Okay. No, he's not going to do a picnic time. This is gift delivery. It looks like he's going to send a gift because he's carrying a lot of gifts here, like 4 boxes of gift and one cooler with a Coca-Cola drinks. Let me remove this one and let me put in the stand. Okay. Oops. That's it. Is that the way it is or here? Ah, here. Okay. So I really like the stand because it's a transparent material. It looks like he's walking in a tin of ice. Look how beautiful this one is. But then again, the figure is like a combination of red and white only, and it's very Christmas vibe. And because he's wearing a Santa hat, and I just noticed that the Santa hat is a flat finish material. Look the detail at the back; it's very detailed. I like this one. Very simple for the Labubu, but what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with this box, the Hachipupu, a Night of Fantasy series. If you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed like a couple of boxes from this lineup, and we got the monologue already. I had I forgot actually. The count cut. I have the count cut here. What else? The Midnight Carnival. I had the Midnight Carnival before. So I have one, two, three. Yes, I have three. So let's see which one we're gonna get. I just hope it's not a duplicate. I really wanna get the Dream Shaper, the Magical Bunny. I really wanna get the Magical Bunny, which is the one in the cover, and the Bad Apple, and this clown, the Joker. So let's see. Or the secret. I don't know who's the secret from this lineup. I just hope we are able to get one. And let's see if this one is really worth to collect because I'm trying to get only single boxes from time to time, but I don't know why I'm not just get the full set. So let's see. Okay. This one's quite big figure. Let me show you our second figure. One, two, three. Oh! We got the one in the cover, the magical bunny. Look. Hmm. I'm not sure if this one looks really cute, but let me show you first the art card. Okay. So we got the magical bunny. I really like the art card. Very artistically done. It looks like this is the heavens gate, and he's about to, to enter the gates of heaven. I'm not sure. A Knight of Fantasy. Let me show you. I guess this is such a big figure from this series. He's wearing a bunny suit. Let me show you the details of the ruffles on the neck. And I just noticed that the finish material is soft matte finish. Look, okay, there's another bunny at the back. He's carrying a bunny stuffed toy or a bunny doll. Look how the details of the bunny doll. It looks like they're mimicking each other. He has another ruffles on the neck also with the heart design on the tummy. And yeah, I guess this one is really really cute. I really like uh the clown hat of the Hachipupu here. It's yellow and it's small. It looks like a crown. Yeah, I like this one. I really like this one. I really like the boots. It's like a clown boots, or yeah, it reminds me of Ronald McDonald. What can you say about this figure, guys? The magical bunny. I actually like this. What is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Yes, so we got another Hachipupu, and this is the Constellation series. I just can't remember. Yeah, I have my sign, which is the Sagittarius from this line up, and I believe I unboxed the Aries before. Yeah, I guess I unboxed only two, if I can remember. So let's see. I really wanna get Capricornus or Gemini. I really wanna get Gemini or Aquarius, I guess, or Libra. Where's Libra? Here. This Libra. So let's see. I just don't know who's the secret also. Let me unbox this one. I actually forgot who's this. Okay, we got another Hachi Pupu. So let's see if we're able to get our prize or a secret. Okay. Oh, who's this? He looks like he's crying because of these tears. He looks so sad. And he has these ruffles on the neck. It looks like a clear pearl and a pearlescent finish. He has a small pearl on the knees. The one on the head looks like an octopus or a jellyfish. Yeah, I don't know who's this. Let me show you the art card. Oh, there's a stand. There's a stand, and there's this art card. We got Aquarius. We got Aquarius. That's why he has this jellyfish on the head and some pearl on the neck and on the knees. Let me put all the inclusion so that we are able to see and appreciate more the figure of Hachipupu Aquarius. I just don't know how you will put this one. Okay, so this will be like here, and he's sitting like this. I'm not sure how he's going to sit like this or like this. I know. Okay, like this. And he's holding a clear pearlescent pearl. Clear pearlescent pearl. Oh, it's not fitting in so much. Let me double check it. Okay. So this will be like this. And yeah, really, really cool figure. I like. how it looks like. He looks like a baby sea creature for me, like he's the prince of the sea. And I like this one. I actually like this. Very nice figure. You know that I'm a bias of pearlescent and translucent material. That's why I really like this one. It's Aquarius, guys. So what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with another box, which is Tiny Tiny, the prologue series. And then again, I keep getting one at a time box from from every figures or from every series. I just don't know why. Maybe I just like you know, the tense and the excitement of getting what I really like from each boxes. So from this lineup, they have 12 confirmed figures. And if you watch my previous vlog, I unboxed Already Born, The Balance, The Riddle. I can't remember if I have Puppet already. But I guess yes, I have the Puppet, the Riddle, the Balance, and the Born. So let's see. I actually wanna get the chess game and the waiting, also the glass house, these three. So let's see. Let's see. I actually wanna include this one in my previous Halloween series, but no, it came late. That's why I won't be able to include it on my Halloween theme. Now I'm unboxing this one. I just don't know who's this. So let's see. One, two, three. Oops, who's this? Mm-hmm. Oh, I just don't know who's this lady. But she looks so different from what I have. She has this like a wine maroon hair, and he she has a like a piece of cloth that she did as a cape, and there's some stars design at the back with some name of Tiny Tiny with the creepy bird. Yes, and he's wearing like a hat of a witch with one eye. And what I really like about Tiny Tiny is her face because she looks like a porcelain doll, and it's so shimmery, so pearlescent finish. She has this doodle on the head, like maybe it's a tattoo. And what I like about the eyes of Tiny Tiny is it's an eye chip, and there's always a meaning on the eyes, I believe, because every time the eyes of Tiny Tiny looks like a you know the universe at night. There's some stars on it. It's like a sea blue eyes. And yeah, if you can see this one in an actual figure, her face is so shimmery, and the other parts of the body, like the oversized shirt, it mentioned here little witch, so she is a little witch here. Yeah, I like this one surprisingly. Let me show you the art card. So this is the art card. So it mentioned here escape. Yeah, I really like the art card of Tiny Tiny. Very creepy. Even the actual figure is very creepy, guys. And you know that I'm starting to collect creepy figures now. And yeah, I like this one. Surprisingly, this one is an added collection to my Tiny Tiny series. What can you say about Escape of Tiny Tiny? Please comment down below. Let's go with these two boxes, which is the Lil Peach Riot Sleepover series, and I unboxed one before, which is we got the Frankie the Morning Coffee. So from this lineup, I really wanna get the Pillow Fight Frankie, the Puppy Breakfast, and the GG Star. So let's see, guys. I hope we're able to get a secret as well. But these two are so one light, one heavy figure. Let me start with the lighter one. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's use this. Our cute figure. One, two, three. Oh, oh. I guess this is. Let me show you the art card. We got Papillon. Yeah, look how beautiful the art card is. It is look much better in the actual figure. I like the head of the teddy, or maybe this is a bunny head. It's a pink bunny. If you can see the details of the bunny, this is like a matte, soft matte finish material. The sleepers of Puppy is a flat finish material here. I really like. I actually like the overall figure because they use a different type of materials. It's a matte finish, the glossy on the socks, the flat finish on the slippers. I like the robe of Puppy here. There's so much details of the stars. And I like the braided hair of Puppy here. There's a gradient color of pink. Very pink vibe. What can you say about this one, guys? Does it really looks beautiful to you? Please comment down below. Let's go with another Little Peach Riot series. And we got the Papillon. So, I just hope I want to get the Gigi Star. Or the Frankie Pillow Fight. So, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we're able to get what I want. Or a secret. Oops. I destroyed the box. So sad. Oh, this one is a very small one. So, one, two, three. Oops. Why it's so small? Okay. We got, I guess this is Frankie. We got Gigi prank call. And there's an inclusion here. Okay, so this is the vintage telephone and it's pink. Look, there's a vintage telephone and it's pink. It's so small. So Frankie is doing a prank call. Prank. So how it will be put here like this. Oh yeah, this one is so cool. Look, she's doing a prank call. She has this vintage pink telephone and it's a yeah, if you can see there's some shimmer on the telephone. I like the matte finish of the pillow and the sleeper is a flat finish material as well. Very nice, very girly vibe like she's doing the prank call to someone else. So yeah, this is it. And they use a yai chip also. There's some hairpins on the hair of Gigi. So yeah, what can you say about this one, guys? Gigi prank call. Please comment down below. Let's go with another boxes. So this is from Paki Egg Bini. We have two boxes from today's vlog. And I unboxed some figures from this lineup, which is the waffle cone. We have the steam egg. Yeah, I guess we have only two from this lineup. So I wanna get the century egg. I really wanna get the black one and the egg roll. So let's see. Egg roll? Yeah, egg roll. The one in the cover. Let's see. I don't know who's the secret here, but I hope we're able to get one. Oops. Oops. Okay. Oh, snap. Oh, I really like the branding. Look how beautiful if they use a branding in every foil. I really like the illustration. Very nice one. So one, two, three. Oh, we got the egg roll. Hi, the one in the cover. Look, she's so yellow. Look, guys. This is the egg roll, and this is Sparky. She looks like, yeah, a little chick, a little chick here. And she's so yellow. And what I like about this figure, guys, is like, you know, the material is so soft. It's like a I forgot that kind of material, but yeah, this is a soft type material, and this is the PVC. Very cute, very yellow actually. Though this is a like a food related figure, and this is egg related. So this is the art card, guys. Very nice. So this is egg roll. What can you say about this one? The yellow one, the yellow chick. Please comment down below. So we have another box from this series, the Paki Egg Bini Best Egg Ever. So we have the steam egg, the waffle cone, and the egg roll. So yeah, I wanna get actually the century egg. I really wanna get century egg, guys, or the poach egg. So let's see. Century egg or poach egg will be fine with me, and or the secret. So let's see. Careful, careful. Oops, still not yet open. Okay, there's some. Okay, who's this? It looks like a square one. One, two, three. Oops. Okay. I don't know who's this. What can you say about this figure? Maybe this Paki and this like egg. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. So we got Tamago Sushi. So she's the Tamago Sushi here. Maybe this is like a seaweed wrap, and this is a rice, and this is like the egg roll or egg flat egg, and they are like a sushi ones because this is a seaweed wrap. Ah, so simple. There's no such details for me. But yeah, I like this one. Not quite, but I can say I like it. A very simple one, a very Japanese vibe, very minimalist. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with these two boxes from Dimu. This is the new release of Dimu, the Missing Day series. And in my previous vlog, I unboxed a few boxes which we got the quickly, yeah, is this quickly stroll? Quickly stroll. We got the soaking in a dream and the dancing cloud. These three, we got these three, and we got a duplicate of the dancing cloud. So let's see, guys, because I really wanna get, I wanna get my pillow beast, which is has the dog, the blooming button, and yeah, I actually like the one melt into me, like he's holding a an ice cream. So let's see, guys, what I really like about this series, guys, because I like the vintage vibe of the theme. I really like all the figures because even the figures looks really great because it looks like they are sculptured uh, from the wood. So let's see which one we're going to get this time. One, two, three. Oh, okay. Who's this? Look, I told you. Look what I've told you that it really has a vintage vibe. And we got the puppy sock. Look how beautiful the art card, guys. Very nice one. And look, it looks like a wood sculpture, like Demo is sculptured in a wood. Look how beautiful the details in every details of this figure. He's wearing a different type of socks. I don't know what type of socks is this. Like he's wearing an oversized shirt. Look how intricate the details, guys. Even the chairs that he's sitting on, the pillows at the back. There's a lot of details going on here. I really like this one. And even the color combination, the color gradient of this one looks really vintage to me. Even the scarf, guys, has the details. I like this. I actually like this. Very nice figure. Now I'm thinking of getting all figures from this series. So what can you say about this, guys? The Puppy Sack. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with another box of Dimu, the Missing Day series. And we got the Puppy Sack. So I really wanna get the one with the dog. And the one with the ice cream or even the blooming button. So let's see, guys. Or the secret. This one's quite heavy. Let's see. This one really, this series really looks cool. Very artistically done. Dimu always doing a great job, but I don't know why he's underrated here in the Philippines. But he really looks cool and very artistic. So let's see. Our second figure for this Dimu. One, two, three. Okay, what we have here? Oh, oh, looks beautiful. Look, I really like the intricate details of the sweater, guys. Look, very detailed with the hoodie, his tattered pants, jeans. Very nice. And even the color, very nice. I really like the color. And we have this famous notebook or comics of Dimu. Let me show you. Look how beautiful the material that they use here. Very nice one. It looks like Dimu is reading a superhero comics and you know he's the superhero here. And look, the front cover, Dimu World. Very nice details. And let me put this one here, like he's reading these comics. A very nice one, guys. Very nice figure. Oops. And this is a story only I can tell. Very cool figure. Look how detailed, right? What can you say about this one? I really like this too. Please comment down below. So guys, we are almost done and we have these last two boxes here, and we have the 2 anniversary series, and we have the, I guess this is the 14th anniversary series, and we have the new one, which is the 15th anniversary series. So of course, let me start with the 14th anniversary series. If you can see in my background, I have some figures here. Like I got the Scholar of Cranes, which is the Hachipupu. We got I have the Moonlight Assassin. Of course, the Solitary Hermit, which is Hirono. Fox Spirit of Crybaby. Okay, and the Heroic Beggar of Sweet Bean. So we only have 5 from this lineup. So let's see. Of course, I really want to get the Butterfly Whisperer or the Maple Slayer of Kubo. And of course, the Immortal or the Secret. I guess Dimu is the Secret also, which is the Water Manipulator. Oops. I don't know who is this. So I just hope we'll get our Pryo. One, two, three. Oh, we got Dimu! Yay! Look, he's so beautiful. Look, guys. He's so like a very fairy tale vibe here. Yeah, he's so magnificent here. Look, the hair. It's like an hollow figure, and from the end, it's translucent. Like there's something sprouting on her hair. It's like a waves or a wind or a smoke. I don't know. But this one is so beautiful and very detailed one. Look, guys. Very nice. Let me show you the art card. So we got, oh, Immortal. Nice. The actual figure is better than the picture. How beautiful. What can you say about this one, guys? Even the robe, I don't know what you call this one. It's a golden ribbon of the robe. And it's a very nice figure, guys. What can you say about this figure? Please comment down below. So guys, this is our last box for today's vlog. And of course, I'm saving the best for last because this is the new release from Pop Mart, the 15th anniversary series, which is celebrating the moment, Pop Mart 15th anniversary. And from this lineup, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, they have too much here. They have 15 confirmed figures and one secret, which I believe it's Molly. And I only have one out of 15, and I just don't know which one will I get. But of course, I really wanna get Dimu Hirono, which is 321 Boom. Of course, I wanna see Pino Jelly, the Glimmering Invitation. Ah, of course, I wanna get Dimu, Circles of Joy, and Skull Panda, Sparks in Bloom, and of course, I wanna get this one, Joyful Hunks of Polar. So let's see. I don't know who's this guys. I hope this one is a better figure or my prio. Look, the illustration. I actually don't like the cover. It's very party vibe, though it's the theme. But let's see. Let's see who is our final figure for today's vlog. And this is from the 15th anniversary series. I'm so excited. Wait, wait, let me check the lineup again. Okay, there's Chaka because I'm looking for Chaka. So, I don't know if I'm like Chaka here. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, no peeking. Oh, I'm so excited. Who's the figure? So, one, two, three. Oh! My least favorite! Sweet Bean! Why? Why? Sweet Bean? Why now? Okay. I'm not saying I don't like Sweet Bean, but from this lineup, he's not my top priority. But hey, it's still, he's carrying the cake with the 15th anniversary sign. Yeah, you know why? Why I just don't like Sweet Bean from this lineup? Because he's so simple or she's so simple here. I don't like the color combination. He looks like a clown. Though I like clowns, but yeah, maybe I just don't like this one. Not a good finale for me. Though the ribbon at the box is a golden yellow and it's shimmery. I like the party hat, very party vibe. So this is yours to share. Even the art card, I just don't like the art card actually. I'm not sure. I just don't like the 15th anniversary lineup this time, but I just managed to get one. And I'm not sure if I want to get more, but from what I got now, maybe I'm going to think more before getting another boxes from this lineup. So let's see, guys. What can you say about Sweet Bean, yours to share from 15th anniversary series? Please comment down below. So, guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. And I'm going to show you what are my favorites from this lineup. I'm going to put them at the front. So of course I really like Tiny Tiny here. She's so creepy and cute at the same time. I like the 3D moose. Look how beautiful Dimu here. Even in the 14th anniversary series, they look so cool and great. And I like the egg roll of Sweet Bee and yeah, no, egg roll of Pocky. And I like Peach Riot. Yeah, this one. And the Hachipupu. Only the one Hachipupu, guys, because yeah, I just don't like this one. I like it much better. So yeah, these are my top favorites from this vlog and from this lineup. What can you say about this one, guys? If you have other favorites from what I not chose, you can comment down below. And if you had fun watching my video or vlog, please do share and like this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. It will be a very big help for me to help me monetize this channel and continue doing this vlog. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!